Good day, students. Our topic for today is about theorems on triangle inequalities. Specifically, we will going to discuss exterior angle inequality theorem, triangle inequality theorem 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let us begin. First, let us discuss exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay, so for instance, we have triangle PQR. Okay, ano nga ba ang exterior angle? So, an exterior angle of a triangle is the angle which forms a linear pair with an interior angle of a triangle. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-extend tayo ng line dito, okay, may angle na po form dyan sa labas. Yan yung tinatawag nating exterior angle. Kasi ang interior is yung mga angles na nasa loob. Okay, so we have here interior angles. Ayan, nasa loob. So, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng angle sa labas, nakapag-form tayo ng linear pair. Okay, may line tayo dyan. Yung angle na nasa labas, yan yung tinatawag nating exterior angle. Pwede ding dito tayo mag-extend. Okay? Then, magkakaroon tayo ng angle dyan. Exterior angle pa rin yun. Same true kapag dito tayo sa P, pwede tayong mag-extend dyan. Meron tayong exterior angle dyan. And, ganoon din sa Q. Okay. So, alam na natin kung ano exterior angle. Yun yung angle na na-form sa labas ng triangle. And, nag-form siya ng linear pair dun sa ating interior angle. So, ano nga ba yung sinasabi ng exterior angle inequality theorem? So, sabi niya, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of remote interior angles. Okay, so sa Tagalog, yung measure daw ng exterior angle, ayan, for example, meron tayong exterior angle dyan. Mas malaki daw yan kaysa dun sa measure ng dalawang remote interior angles. Okay, so we have here an example. Patunayan natin na tama yung exterior angle inequality theorem natin. Okay, so dito sa example natin, hanapin muna natin yung value ng angle X, Y, and Z. Okay, so given yung mga exterior angles, we have 150, tas may 70 tayo doon. Okay, we all know na yung angle dito sa loob and sa labas, nagfo-form sila ng linear pair. Pag sinabi nating linear pair, yan, pag pinag-add natin yung angle na nandyan sa loob at saka nasa labas, laging ang equivalent nila or yung sum nila is 180 degrees. So, we have here 150. So, ima-minus lang natin ito sa 180. So, 180 minus 150, ibig sabihin yung y is 30. Okay. Next, dito naman tayo sa angle X. So, meron tayo ditong linear pair. Okay. So, given na 70 na yon, so 180 minus 70, so, ibig sabihin yung X natin is 110 degrees. Tama? Kailangan pag pinag-add nyo, yung angle na nakapag-form ng line, dapat 180. So, ibig sabihin yung angle na nasa loob at saka nasa labas, pag pinag-add, kailangan 180 degrees. Okay. Ngayon, kukunin na natin yung measure ng angle Z. Alam naman natin na ang triangles, kapag pinag-add natin yung mga yan na nasa loob, is 180 degrees din. Okay, yun yung sum ng interior angle ng isang triangle. Okay, so given that we have 110, meron na din tayong 30, 110 plus 30 will give you 140. So, 180 minus 140 will give you 40 degrees. So, ibig sabihin si Z ay 40 degrees. Okay. Ngayon na nakompleto na natin yung mga measure, tignan natin kung tama ba yung exterior angle inequality theorem natin. So, again, what is exterior angle inequality theorem? Sabi niya, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of remote interior angles. Okay. Alin kasi yung mga exterior angle natin? So, we have 150. Okay? So, ito yung exterior angle natin. Ang remote interior angle niya is yung dalawa na hindi niya ka-linear pair. So, we have X and Z. Si 150 ba mas malaki kay 110? Yes. Si 150 ba mas malaki kay 40? Yes. So, yun lang naman yung sinasabi ng exterior angle inequality theorem. Na mas malaki si exterior angle kaysa dun sa dalawang remote interior angle niya. Okay, next. We have 70. Okay. 70 is an exterior angle. Yung remote angle niya naman, remote interior angle is 40 and 30. Si 70 ba mas malaki kay 40? Yes. Si 70 ba mas malaki kay 30? Yes. So, therefore, tama yung sinasabi ng exterior angle inequality theorem natin. Kung saan, yung mga exterior angles daw is mas malaki kaysa dun sa remote interior angles niya. Okay. So, patunayan pa natin. For example, ito, 40. Kunin natin yung exterior angle natin dito given that we have an interior angle na 40. So, ibig sabihin, 180 minus 40, this one is 140. So, ano ang remote interior angles natin? We have 110 and 30. Okay, si 140 ba mas malaki kaysa kay 110? Yes. Si 140 ba mas malaki kay 30? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, kahit sang angle na natin kunin, si exterior angle ay mas malaki kaysa dun sa remote interior angles. Okay, so our next topic is triangle inequality theorem 1. So, it states that if one side of a triangle is longer than the second side, then the angle opposite the first side is larger than the angle opposite the second side. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, so in our example, we have triangle ABC. Okay, then may mga measure yung mga sides nila. We have 7, we have 9, we have 8. So, side BC is 7 units, side AC is 9 units, side AB is 8 units. Okay, so ang sinasabi lang naman ng triangle inequality theorem 1, na kahit daw hindi natin i-measure yung mga angle, yan, yung mga angles dyan, malalaman daw natin kung sino yung pinakamaliit na angle at pinakamalaking angle sa pamamagitan ng mga given measure ng sides. Okay. So, ang sinasabi niya, kapag mas maliit daw yung measure ng side, ibig sabihin, maliit din yung measure ng angle. The more na mas malaki yung measure ng side ng triangle, mas malaki din yung measure ng angle. Okay, so kahit hindi natin i-measure or kunin yung angles, measure ng angles ng bawat sulok na itong triangle, we can conclude kung sino yung pinakamaliit and pinakamalaking angles. Pero syempre, hindi natin makukuha yung exact. Ang sinasabi lang ng triangle inequality theorem 1 is malalaman natin kung sino yung pinakamalaki and pinakamaliit. So, given that we have side BC as 7, okay, so 7, 9, 8, okay, so si 7 yung pinaka maikling side, ayan, BC. Ibig sabihin, yung katapat niya daw na angle, ayan, which is si angle A, siya din daw yung pinaka maliit. We have the least measure of angle, which is angle A. Okay. Siyempre, ang susunod ay si 8. And yung katapat niyang angle is si angle C. Therefore, angle C, siya yung susunod na may pinakamalaking measure ng angle. And given that, ito ay 9, ayan, siya yung pinakamahabang side, si side AC, therefore, yung katapat niyang angle, siya din yung pinakamalaking measure ng angle, which is si angle B. Okay, so kahit hindi natin alam yung measure ng kada angle, pwede nating i-identify kung sino yung pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaking measure ng angle. That is Triangle Inequality Theorem 1. Next, we have Triangle Inequality Theorem 2. So, it states that if one angle of a triangle is larger than the second angle, then the side opposite the first angle is longer than the side opposite the second angle. Okay, so let's take this example. We have triangle DEF. Okay, so kabaliktaran lang naman nung Triangle Inequality Theorem 1, yung Triangle Inequality Theorem 2. So, ang given naman sa Triangle Inequality Theorem 2 is yung angles. Ngayon, i-identify naman natin kung sino yung pinakamaliit na side hanggang sa pinakamalaking side. Okay, so given lamang yung mga angles, malalaman na natin kung sinong side yung pinakamaliit at saka pinakamahaba or pinakamaikse hanggang sa pinakamahaba. Okay, so given that meron tayong mga measures dyan, 36, 90, 54. So, syempre, ang pinakamaliit nating measure ng angle is 36. Therefore, yung katapat niya na side, yun din yung pinakamaiksing side, which is si line segment DE or si side DE. Okay, next. Kay 36, sino yung susunod? We have 54. Okay, siya yung susunod na may pinakamalaking measure ng angle. Therefore, yung katapat niyang side, which is si side EF, okay, pwede nyo siyang tawaging EF, pwede din namang FE. Okay, side EF, siya yung second na may pinakamahabang side. And we have 90, siya yung pinakamalaking measure ng angle natin. Therefore, yung katapat niya na side, which is si line segment DF or si side DF, or pwede nyo din siyang tawaging FD, siya din yung may pinakamahabang measure ng side. Okay, again, hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung measure unless susukatin talaga natin. Pero, by using its angles, malalaman natin na okay, si 36, siya din yung may pinaka maikling side, yung katapat niya. Si 90, yung katapat niyang side, yun naman yung pinakamahaba kasi siya yung pinakamalaking angle. Okay, so yun yung gamit ng Triangle Inequality Theorem 2. Okay, and lastly, let's have Triangle Inequality Theorem 3. So, it states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the lengths of the third side. Okay, so let us explain this. So, using some straws. Okay, so may mga straw tayo dito with different lengths. So, may iba't ibang haba yan. We have 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. Alam nyo ba na hindi lahat ng measure ng side or length ay pwede tayong makapag-form ng triangle? Okay, so first, let us try to form a triangle using the lengths 2, 3, and 5. Okay, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, ilista natin. Okay, so we have 2, 3, and 5. Okay, try nating mag-form ng triangle. 2, 3, and 5 na measure, hindi tayo nakabuo ng triangle. Okay, so for number 1, hindi tayo nakapag-form ng triangle. Okay, next, let's try 2, 6, and 3. 2, 6, and 3. Okay, we have 2. This one is 3. Okay, ito is 6. Okay, 2, 6, and 3. Okay, so try nating i-adjust. Okay. So, kahit anong adjust yung gawin natin, for number 2, hindi talaga tayo makakapag-form ng triangle. Okay. How about 2, 4, and 5? 2, 4, and 5. Okay, so this one is 4, this one is 5. Okay, so using 2, 4, 5, nakapag-form tayo ng triangle. So, bakit kaya may mga measurement na hindi tayo nakapag-form ng triangle? So, yun yung sinasabi ng Triangle Inequality Theorem 3, that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the lengths of the third side. So, let us try number 1. So, sa number 1, we have 2, 3, and 5. So, sabi dun sa Triangle Inequality Theorem 3 na dapat daw kapag pinag-add natin yung dalawang pinakamaiksing side, ayan, measure ng side, kailangan mas malaki yung sum nila kaysa dun sa pangatlong side. Okay, so we have 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay? 5 and 5 equal lang sila. Kailangan kasi yung sum ng dalawang yan, yung pinakamaiksi, is mas malaki kaysa dun sa pangatlong side or yung pinakamahabang side. Okay? Kaya, hindi talaga tayo makakapag-form ng triangle sa number 1. Sa number 2 naman, we have 2, 6, and 3. Okay? Ano yung pinakamaiksi? So, we have 2 and 3. That is 5. Okay? And yung pinakamahaba natin is 6. Sinong mas malaki? Si 6. Kailangan kasi mas malaki yung pinag-add natin. Kaya hindi talaga tayo makakapag-form ng triangle dyan. How about 2, 4, and 5? So, we have 2, 4, and 5. Okay. 2 plus 4 will give you 6. Okay. Ito yung dalawang pinakamaiksi, 2 and 4. Okay. Then, we have 5. So, mas malaki yung dalawang pinag-add natin kaysa dun sa third side. Okay? Kaya nakapag-form tayo ng triangle. Okay? So, lagi nyong tatandaan na dapat i-compare nyo yung dalawang pinakamaiksing side dun sa pinakamalaking side. Okay? Dapat mas malaki yung sum ng dalawang pinakamaiksi kaysa dun sa third side. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear student. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Bye!